Welcome back to the DIY channel with All Around Auto Techs 2000 Toyota Camry Solara V6. We're doing the spark plugs and also the knock sensors. But to do that, you have to take the intake off. And some of it's already taken off, but I'm just going to kind of walk you through it. First, you want to take the battery post off. And then you want to take, there's an air cleaner box that's here. You'll see it's just some 10 millimeters that you'll take it off from here in between there. Just take all the hoses off of the air cleaner assembly, get that out of the way, and then you want to take these 4 bolts off, 1, 2, and then 2 on the bottom off the throttle body. It'll be a lot easier doing it this way. Some people don't. I do it this way. Unhook all your connectors to it except for the coolant. Don't unhook the coolant. It's not necessary. But you do need to drain, which I did by taking off. There's a plate under here. That's it there. It's 10 millimeters. There's probably about 8 of them. And then you'll let the coolant out before you take the intake off, because we're going to actually do the hose inside as well. There's a coolant hose that's under the intake that I recommend changing. So you have it doing that. And then so you took those off. What I want to show you, keep this gasket on, but this is your EGR, right? So 1, 2, 3 bolts on the front, which go here. And then on the bottom of this, there's 2 bolts, which are back here. See these 2 bolts back here? But you get to it from this side, right here, through here. 2 bolts, but to get to this bolt, you're gonna have to take this bracket off, which is a 12, and you may have to do it on the bottom if it doesn't move, but mine moves. See, you move it out of the way of the bolt to get to that bolt, and then you're able to get this off. And then we're gonna come back and show you some more in a second.